In this video, we will show the best table tennis rackets available to buy. At number 8. Aeromax Table Tennis Starter Kit. It is the good kit for beginners, includes 2 rackets and 3 ping pong balls. In box contents, 2 table tennis bats, 3 table tennis balls. At number 7. Butterfly 302 CS Penhold Table Tennis Racket. It includes racket cover. Penhold Table Tennis Racket features Yuki rubber on both sides that gives a tremendous spin. At number 6. Klapp Table Tennis Set. It is high quality and innovative retractable table tennis net with adjustable length and push clamps. It is the ideal for beginner. At number 5. SGKI Kung Fu DX Table Tennis Racket. These rackets depict an oval blade printed with the charming and inspiring scene of table tennis sport. The imported handle of these rackets is comfortable to grip. At number 4. SGKI Offensive XX Table Tennis Racket. The fast table tennis bats which are manufactured to bring perfection for all offensive and aggressive all-round table tennis players. At number 3. Konex Table Tennis Combo. It is the set of 2 table tennis rackets with 3 TT balls. Made of durable material and ideal for indoor games. In the box, includes 2 table tennis rackets and 3 TT balls. At number 2. Stag 1-Star Table Tennis Playset. It is suitable for the age group of 4 years plus, meant for recreational use only, good for beginners. Box contents, 2 rackets and 3 balls. At number 1. Stag 4-Star Table Tennis Racket. It is highly durable and excellent quality rubber. Meant for beginners looking forward to step up for a professional play.